guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. For today's video, as you can see from the title, I mixed all of my foundations together. Oh my god. I'm definitely going to do this more often, for sure. It was so much fun and I love the result. I've always been a fan of mixing foundations and mixing concealers and stuff like that, but I've definitely never mixed all of my foundations into one. Like I said, it was so much fun. Honestly, just not look cakey at all, which I thought that was going to be. Now let's just pray that I don't forget after this, because I really don't want to. So don't forget to stay until the end of the video so you can hear about the giveaway. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so I already have all my foundations right here. I have a brush, beauty blender, I have a little cup to mix it in. Before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face because I really don't want this to cause me breakouts. My skin is finally starting to get better, so don't want that. First, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I've been really liking this one. I use maybe like that much. So first, let's do that. The Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. I just want a nice base for all those foundations. Okay, so now I'm going to let that set while we start mixing. And most of my foundations are actually from the drugstore. Okay, so the first one is the Matte Poreless from Maybelline. I'm just going to dip a tiny... Well, I'm going to try and mix a tiny bit. Try. Next one is the L'Oreal True Match. My god, I haven't used this one in so long. Where have you been? That's good. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio Fix. There we go. I really hope it doesn't end up being too dark. So we shall see. I'm going with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. My fave. Whoa. I wish they all had pumps. That would be so much easier. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. There we go. That's good enough. I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin. And this one has the pump. Okay, next is the CoverGirl True Blend Liquid Foundation. This one has the pump as well. Makes it easier. Okay, now it's the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir. I still don't know how I feel about this foundation. I tried it once last week and I need to try it a few times. But I tried this foundation and I was like, this foundation is trying to replace my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. So, I don't know. And this is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. Really good. 2 pumps. Okay, so now I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, so now that our foundation it's all mixed together, it looks like a pretty good color. So hopefully it's not too dark. First, I'm gonna apply it with the brush to make it easier, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the beauty blender. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now that's full coverage. Okay, let's add some more. That was actually a lot. Okay, yeah, that's a lot. Some in the forehead, neck, chin. Oh my goodness. So now I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm so excited. It's not blending that easily, but it's blending. You just have to put in some work. Add a second layer. So with the beauty blender, it just absorbs a lot of the foundation. So a lot of the foundation. This is crazy full coverage. I might just do this every day. So I honestly don't feel like it looks heavy at all. Ooh, getting more blending. And it's super full coverage. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So now for the giveaway. I am so excited. I've done, how many giveaways have I done? I think I've done like 2 giveaways. Sorry for the bag, I just couldn't find any other bag. And I wanted to separate things because I'm doing a giveaway on here. And I'm also planning on doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So first I'm just going to show you guys everything just really quick. And then I'm going to tell you guys how to enter. And then down below in the description box, I'm going to have the information when the giveaway will end. So just make sure you check the description box below. Okay, so where should we start? Show you guys everything. I just want to quickly say that everything in here I purchased with my own money. So I really hope that it goes to someone that really supports me and that really enjoys my videos. Enough chatting. Okay, so the first thing in here, it's this Morphe palette, and then this is the Morphe 35R palette. Okay, the next thing I have is another Morphe palette. This is a 25A, and this one is limited edition. And I have another palette. This one is from Tarte. Then I have this little trio. This is from Pure, and you can never have enough of these, honestly. Then I have this Sigma brush set. Okay, then I have some lashes, and these are from Vegas Nay. You guys know I love these. I have a little mini brush set, and this is from Luxie. Oh, and then I have another brush. This one is from Bare Minerals, and this is a foundation brush, pretty sure. I have another eyeshadow palette, and this is from Blink. Next is this Bare Minerals Prep and Step, and this is from the Kylie Cosmetics. What shade is this? Tahiti. You guys are gonna love this one. Love. And then also from Kylie Cosmetics, I have this Super Glitter Gloss. Then I have some more lippies. So this one is from ColourPop in the shade Speed Dial. Ooh, this one would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Then I have this one from Laga Cloud Lips. This is in the shade Storm. Then I have this one from Girl Lactic. And this one is in the shade, where's the shade? Does it have a shade? I can't find it, but it's like a really brown mauve color. Then I have this one from Makeup Revolution. You guys, Makeup Revolution has bomb lipsticks. This one's in the shade Girl's Best Friend. So cute. And then I have this one from Wet n Wild, these are also very good lipsticks. Give Me Mocha. So I have a few palettes. How many palettes do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 palettes. I have 2 brush sets. And then I also have a Bare Minerals brush. I have some lashes, some beauty sponge, lipsticks, and a highlighter. So now for the roll. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and leave me any comment you like with an email. Just please make sure you leave your email. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.